Page 56 starts another key. We just did the key of D. The key of A has another sharp. It has G sharp. Key of G has one sharp. Key of D has two sharps. And key of A has three sharps. The sharp that we're adding is G sharp. There's G sharp on the third string. Here's G sharp on the first string. Here's G sharp on the sixth string. Key of A major, first position, duet in A. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. If you notice, this piece is in 3. 3, 4 time, 3 beats in a measure, the quarter note gets 1 beat. It's a waltz. What is good to do when you play something in 3, 4 time, in waltz time, it's good to emphasize the note that comes in on beat 1 of each measure. Instead of playing this where you're not sure of where the meter is, it's good to emphasize 1 so you hear it as a waltz. You feel the time this way, you feel the phrasing this way. And it's much easier to count, and it's much easier to play the duet with someone when you do this. So remember, there's different emphasis on notes when you're playing different time signatures. The first thing you should always do is make sure you can emphasize the first beat of each measure if you have an attack there. Okay, this is in the key of A. We have G sharps, F sharps, and C sharps. G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, F sharp. And it uses most of the notes in that whole position, just the top part. There is really anything tricky about this other than playing the G sharps with your 4th finger, playing in the key of A, emphasizing the first beat in each measure, and also the last 2 measures in this whole piece. It goes 1. You notice how I slide my first finger on G sharp to A. That way I can flatten it and get the C sharp with the first finger and reach for the A on the first string. Last 2 measures. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now your turn to play this part.